So, come hike in the woods with Declan and I. Walking to the entrance of the woods was a little distance, and at this time, Declan told me he wanted to sleep. So, I put him on my back and we began our journey. And in no time, he started napping. The hike trail in this forest is about 400 meters. I hope I'm right. And I just wanted to see how far I could go. While at it, I took out time to reflect, admire nature, and deliberately take in some clean air. It felt so good to be alone with my thoughts, because recently I started learning how to enjoy life and bask in its peace, even without having anything. I now enjoy the littlest things that may not mean anything to some people, and it's so priceless. I realize that as long as you have life, there is always a card to play. The goal here is to be genuinely happy while striving to continuously walk in God's purpose. Like a lot of people, I may not know what tomorrow brings, but we are hoping and praying for the best while walking with God's plan for us. So this is your cue to take that long desired break. Have fun, enjoy yourself, and just relax. Have a blessed day. Bye.